Good afternoon, everyone. So this is CMA Inter Group 1, Paper 5, Financial Accounting. Test number 1. So section A answers. First choose 1C, 2B and 3B. And 2 are false. First one false. Second false and third also false. Then section B. This is with respect to partnership. So partnership revaluation account profit for P, Q and R 2,220 for each. Then capital accounts. Balance of capital account 1,53,220 and 1,18,220. 1,08,220. Balance sheet total 4,64,660. Question number 2. So why is goodwill considered to be an intangible asset and not a fictitious asset? Because it has a realizable value. And the solution for second one is nil. 2B, the answer is nil. There is no excess amount in investment fluctuation reserve account. For C, when does a capital account of a partner not show a debit balance in spite of regular losses incurred by the firm? When the partner maintain a fixed capital account and all the adjustments happen in the current account. And the last one, no entry is required as the expenses are to be borne by the partners. Then question number 3. You have to prepare the trading and the P&L account for year ended 31st March 2019 as well as balance sheet. So the trading and P&L profit is, so this is a solution. Closing stock 1,85,000 and you have to add that the goods which are sent on approval, so 2,10,000. So the gross profit carried down is 16,61,000. And the net profit 9,06,995. And this is the balance sheet. So the balance sheet total 42,88,995. So these are the working notes. Prepaid insurance premium is 3,750 and outstanding interest on investment is 13,000. So that's all with respect to test number 1. So financial accounting, test number 2. Test number 2. Section A. Choose the correct answer. 1. C. 2. A. 3C. 4C, receipts and a payment account. So this is a receipts and payment account. Balance carried on is 124. Then income and expenditure account. $83,400. Stock in hand on the date of fire 7,76,300. So since the policy amount is less than the claim amount, that will be restricted to the policy amount only. The working notes for that trading account. Gross profit 10,40,000. Rate of gross profit ratio 20%. So the next is theory questions. Section C. At the rate of 6% per annum on the amount which is due to them, or the share of profit earned for the amount due to the partner. And there are certain conditions specified under section number 37. The debtors pay or settle their payment at the due date or before the due date, we will give them some cash discounts. That is for the purpose of prompt settlement of cash. The next is what are the objectives of accounting. So it is to provide the financial information to the stakeholders, and for that we are providing them with financial statements, and they are prepared on the basis of generally accepted accounting principles and the various IndAS, that is Indian accounting standards, as well as we have to comply with the international accounting standards. The next is accrual concept. So this is based on the recognition of both cash as well as the credit transactions. You have to just explain it in 4 or 5 points. Then test number 3. Test number 3. Choose 1, B, 2D, 3C, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7D, 8D. And for 9 it is D, and for 10 it is A. In section B, question number 1, computation of the value of the land acquired. The value of land is 5,528 lakhs. And question number 2, royalty. In the books of lessee, royalty account. And this is short workings account for 4-year period, and this is lessor account. Then question number 3, general ledger adjustment account. So debtors ledger, general ledger adjustment account. Balance is 1,19,000, and for the creditors ledger, it is the balance is 61,000. And the following items will not appear in the general ledger account of debtors ledger, and these following items will not appear in the general ledger of creditors ledger. Question number 4, branch accounts. So this is branch stock account for the year ended 31st March. Balance is 2 lakhs. Branch P&L account, profit is 8,85,000. It is 12 lakhs sent to branch. So the working notes For loss in transit at invoice value 75,000, and if you calculate the net loss in transit 10,000. The loss on account of pilferage, cost of loss due to pilferage charged to P&L 24,000. Then question number 5. This is departmental trading account. Gross profit for sawmill department is 2,70,000 and for furniture it is 37,500. And net profit 2,60,000 and 34,500. General P&L account. Stock reserve 2,830. So these are the working notes. Section C, what are the weaknesses of single entry system? So write at least 5 points for that. Then what are various features of income and expenditure account? Write any 5 points. So that's all with regard to CMA financial accounting. Now CA accounting test 1. Question number 1. So calculate the effective capital and the maximum amount of managerial remuneration. Answer is 100 lakhs. Question number 2. So you have to calculate the maximum limits of managerial remuneration as per Companies Act. So this is a solution. Profit under section 198 is 29,34,550 and maximum managerial remuneration is 11% of the same. That comes around 3,22,800. Then question number 3. This is with respect to fire insurance claim. Memorandum trading account profit is 1,20,000 gross profit. And the statement of insurance claim, loss of stock 1,01,000. That is a working note for that. Claim is equal to insured value divided by total cost into loss suffered. So the answer is 76,515 is the claim amount. Question number 4. Journal entries in the books of R Limited. First, for investment sold. And second is amount payable to preference shareholders on redemption. Amount paid to preference shareholders. Then for transferring the amount to CRR. Then being the amount payable to debenture holders along with interest. Then actual payment to debenture holders, and capital redemption reserved to bonus. And then you have bonus, payment of bonus, then payment of this premium adjusted from general reserve, and finally that interest on debentures being transferred to P&L. Balance sheet as on 30th September. This is the balance sheet total. 53,20,000. And this is a notes for share capital and number 2 for reserves and surplus. Profit 93,800. Branch stock adjustment account. Closing balance 25,000. Question number 7. Department accounts. This is a solution. Correct calculation of correct departmental profit or losses. And the working notes for unrealized profits. So that's all with respect to test number 2 and test number 3. Test number 3, question number 1, this is solution. Computation of depreciation as per accounting standard 10. So for A, B ரெண்டுத்துக்கு nil, for C it is 50,000 and for D it is 15,000. Then question number 2. So this is the answer for question number 2. Revised book value 232.044 lakhs. And you have to pass journal entries. So these are the journal entries. And question number 3. This is the criteria for classification as level 1 entities for the purpose of application of accounting standard as per Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So these are the different criteria. You have to mention each one of them. Question number 4. Investment as per accounting standard number 13 and value of investment in mutual funds. It's total 2,15,695. And question number 5. Computation of the amount at which machinery should be capitalized in the books. 1,33,50,000. Then question number 6. With respect to government grant. As per accounting standard 1. So this is the solution. Question number 7. Accounting standard number 11. This is the solution for that. 67,987.48. Question number 8. This is for as per for remodeling cost. Remodeling cost, whether that should be capitalized. Yes, that should be capitalized. Question number 9. Investment account. This is the solution for that. Balance carried out. For nominal amount, the interest and the cost. This is in the books of Purple Limited, 10% government loan. And this is investment in equity shares of XY Limited of this 5 each. Balance carried on 6,052.350. And this is to P&L account. These are the working notes. One is cost of investment purchased and the sale of 10% government loan, cost of 10% government loan, profit on sale of bonus shares, and then profit on sale of 10% government loan. Then dividend on equity shares. Question number 10. Departmental accounting. So this is a department trading account for Mrs. B Limited. Gross profit 1,54,000, 95,100. Consolidated trading account for the year ended 31st March. Gross profit 2,42,035. And working notes for that. So that's all. Expect to see you. Thank you.